Get noticed in this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.